he going straight through, or yeah, he's going straight in? Or is he coming over here?
I'd go fast.
Hit it. Don't go that way. Hey, boy.
Alright, don't dig. He's digging.
You're stuck.
He's digging a hole.
Alright, strap.
Turn your wheel.
Yeah, turn your wheel the other
Turn
way.
your wheel this way.
towards you.
Alright, hold it there. Give us the strap.
Hey, turn your wheel all the way. To the left. We're not cornering.
Didn't realize it seemed
Oh, you're
sideways
stuck?
in there.
No. That's what Lewis did last time. He ended up right like that.
Did it?
Alright, now pull nice and hard with that strap.
Okay. Yeah. I got tons of traction right here.
Watch that strap doesn't get caught in the wheel if he's spinning them. Yeah, it ain't going anywhere.
You don't have your front wheels on turn. Where's your locker? Sissy? You don't have locker.
The locker's still at Quadratech.
All right.
Okay, let me get the winch spooled out.
But